You have the ZTE, this is the ZMax10, looks like this. It's by Consumer Cellular, and you have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You don't know what to do. Let me help you. You're going to have to reset the phone and then watch to the end because I'll have a free gift for you. It'll be right here. All right, let's get into it. All right, to reset the phone, we've got to power the device off first. Power off. And if you are a little bit tired of your ZTE, or maybe this ends up not working out for you, you can't get it to work, this is the YouTube store, and here are my suggestions for some upgrades that might work for you. All right, to factory reset this phone, we are going to hold volume up and power. Volume up, power. We're going to hold for a few seconds until we see the word Android, and then immediately let go with both fingers. All right, it's going to take a few more seconds for the Android recovery menu to show up. It'll be right here. And then we're going to use the volume keys right here. Volume keys, we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset right there. Press power for OK, and then pause and read. You will be required to connect to network via SIM or Wi-Fi and log into your Google account before using the device. You 100% still need your Google or Gmail account to log back in after the factory reset. The factory reset is going to erase everything: pics, apps, messages, contacts. The only thing it doesn't erase is security, and that's why you need to log back in with your credentials. All right, let's use volume down to scroll to factory data reset. Press power for OK. And then after a few seconds, maybe a few minutes, you will get the data wipe is complete message. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Hey, if you lose your password or your PIN, or grandma does, or your kids do, this is a free download that is this sheet right here. This sheet will help you. We'll call it the phone information record. Everything. Is it grandma's phone? Is it your kid's phone? Is it your phone? The make, model, color, everything. Write out your email that you log in with your phone, and then if you're a PIN person, write down your PIN. If you're a password person, write down your password. And if you're a pattern person, S for start, F for finish, draw out your pattern, and then the most important part, put this somewhere safe where you can access it in case you or your kids or grandma or grandpa loses their PIN, pattern, or password. Hey, if this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.